Another day, another English lesson, articles and some, a short review. In English, we often use little words like a, an, the, and some before nouns. These words help us understand if we are talking about something general, specific, or uncountable. Sometimes we also use no article at all. This is called the zero article. Let's review each one in a simple way. I, an. We use a or an when we talk about one thing that is not specific, something the listener doesn't know yet. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound, a book, a car, a teacher. Use an before words that start with a vowel sound, an apple, an hour, an idea. Tip: use a or an the first time you talk about something. The. We use the when we are talking about something specific, something both the speaker and the listener know about. Maybe we talked about it before. I saw a cat. The cat was black. Maybe there is only one of it. The sun is very hot. Maybe it is clear from the situation. Can you open the door? You know which door. Tip: use the when the noun is known or unique. Some. We use some when we talk about an unknown amount of something, usually uncountable nouns or plural countable nouns. For uncountable things, I need some water. For plural things, when we don't say how many, she bought some bananas. Tip: use some when the number or amount is not exact or not important. Zero article, no article. Sometimes we don't use any article at all. This happens with 1. Plural nouns when talking in general, dogs are friendly. Uncountable nouns in general, sugar is bad for your teeth. 2. Proper nouns, names of people, countries, languages. Maria is from Brazil. She speaks Portuguese. Tip: no article is used when we mean all in general or when using names. Now choose a, an, the, some, or the zero article before the noun in blue. One. He doesn't like cheese, so he never eats any cheese at all. Two. Please close the window. It's minus 10 degrees outside. 3. She needs an umbrella because it's raining. 4. I like the dogs in this park because they are very friendly. 5. Did I tell you? I saw an interesting book at the store. 6. He always drinks some water before and after running. 7. Look at the moon. It looks bright tonight. 8. There are some apples in the basket. 9. Did you put salt on these eggs? 10. She found an old letter in the drawer. 11. We heard some children playing outside. 12. In the morning, the sun rises in the east. 13. They ate some bread with their soup and gave the rest to the birds. 14. I saw an orange on the table beside a banana. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning activity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications.